Ahora, la número 19, chicos. Number 19, all you gotta do is length times width times height. So, you're to multiply all three numbers. Van a multiplicar todos los tres números, chicos. 12 por 5, 60. 60 por 4, well, that's 6 times 4, and that is 240. Boom. Now, number 20, chicos. The company asks 100 people to test a new computer game. The box plot represents data about the number of points each person earned in the game. This is, chicos, 120, 130, 140. I'm sorry, not go to 140. That is 160. And this is 175. Okay, perfecto. Now, this, chicos, this is where the majority happens, chicos. Or at least half. This is half. Esa es la mitad. Which statement best describes data represented in the box plot? Now, if we remember that this is half, and this is where the majority of the data is, about half of the players earn 130 and 180 points. Boom. Así de fácil. A researcher asked 120 people if they preferred swimming in a pool or swimming at the beach. Data collected, 3 out of 10 people preferred swimming at the beach. So, at the beach, and the total, the beach was 3 out of 10, and then the big total, 120. So you find this right here. Now, you could do Wakanda Forever, or you could do side to side. Sometimes that works. You do times 12, you get the answer. Ready? 22. Ricardo plans to pay for college by using his savings along with his scholarships, grants, and work study programs. Which source does Ricardo have the greatest amount of control over? ¿Qué puede controlar, chicos? Well, is it easy to get a scholarship? No. A grant? No. O meterte a un work study program? No. Savings sería the most that he can control. Lo más que podría controlar sería ese, chicos. Perfecto. Perfecto. La 23, chicos. The owner of a food truck know that 1 out of 4 customers ordered a drink with their lunch. What decimal is equivalent to the fractions that ordered a drink with their lunch? Now, this fraction, chicos, all you need to do is divide it to be able to find the decimal. And once you do, you will know that you're going to get 0.25. Just remember to put the 0. Number 24. Minus 9, 20 blocks, 27 blocks, and that's the total. Now, C and D, chicos, tells you each shelf, so you're multiplying. Each shelf, so you're multiplying, not these two, chicos. Now, 27 blocks closer, that's x minus 27. 9 blocks from the school equals 9. But look, it's the other way around. 9 blocks closer minus 9. So x minus 9 equals 27. Is the first one right here. Boom. Papita. Number 25, least to greatest. I mean, come on. That's pretty easy. So not these two, obviously. The bigger the negative, the smaller the number. 30 cents is bigger, so it's smaller. That's my answer. Entre más grande el negativo, más chiquito el número. Entonces, esa es mi respuesta, chicos. Así de fácil. Y esto representa esto. Decimal, todo lo que tienes que hacer es dividir. Y esto. Y es el control, puedes controlar tus ahorros. Now, number 26. All you got to remember is that a triangle equals 180 degrees. So, what you're going to do is you're going to add these two. Whatever you get, you're going to do 180 minus that. And what that is 111.3. So, whatever you get here, that's your answer, chicos. Primero tienes que sumar esos dos. Y lo que saques tienes que restar para que lo que te dé te dará tu respuesta de la que falta, que es la Z. Perfecto, ¿eh? Perfecto, porque las tres juntas te tienen que dar 180. Tienen que. La 27, chicos. Aquí hay dos cosas que considerar. Tienes chico dorito aquí. Y después de que hagan chico dorito, have one negative, one positive, un negativo y un positivo. Tu respuesta es negativa. Entonces, negativo 3 por 6, negative 18. Oh, that's too big. Negative 18 plus 5. Same sign or different signs, chicos? Different signs, what do? You subtract. So 18 minus 5, 13. And this one's bigger, so it's negative 13. Boom. Así de fácil. Los que están shaded, chicos, son 9 de 15 en total. Esta fracción no va a salir. This fraction will not be there. Why do you think that is? Because we need to simplify. Now, after you simplify, you're going to have 3, 5, and this is going to be in your answers, chicos. So you go ahead and drag and drop that one. Then, all you got to do, first, let's divide. Whatever you get, 2 times to the right, add a percentage. So you're going to drag and drop el que sea 60%. Perfecto, chicos. Dividen 2 veces para la derecha. Estas, chicos. X, Y. X, Y. Entonces, la X es si te vas a ir para la izquierda o para la derecha. If you're going to go to the left or to the right. And that depends whether it's a positive number or a negative number. It's a positive, right? If it's negative, to the left. First, let's do X. So X is going to be 1, 2, 3. Then it's negative 4. So up or down for Y. Up or down. Well, because it's negative, it's going to go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your first point. And for this one, it's negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Now, make sure you check what the points are, chicos, because they might be different. Might be different on the test, so just follow the steps and just try your best. Number 30, chicos. Instead of dividing, because we don't like dividing, we do KCF. So if we keep this times And then if we flip the 1 over 2, it's going to be 2 over 1. The one that looks exactly like that. Number 31. Which information would typically appear on a consumer's credit report? Well, credit, haha, duh, ¿qué aparecería en los reportes de crédito? Pues tu crédito, obvio. What's the opposite of adding? ¿Qué es lo opuesto de sumar? Restar. Solamente resten correctamente, chicos. No tendría lógica que agarren esta mal. It would be very bad if you get this one wrong. Now, this is not 5, chicos. This is 50. If you add a 0, it's going to be 50. Esto no es un 5, chicos, es un 50. 50 centavos. Si tú agregas un 0, va a ser 50 menos 6. Y eso es 44, chicos. Cuando tú haces borrow, va a ser 44. Y luego el decimal, un 4 aquí y aquí un 3. Entonces, boom. Nomás, aguas con este número porque este lo tuve que cambiar. Entonces va a ser un poquito diferente, pero aguas con la resta, chicos. ¿Ok? La 33, está fácil, chicos. El número más grande y el color, pues obviamente más grande, que va con ese número. The number and the color that go is this one. So, where is that color the biggest? ¿En dónde está ese color y dónde se ve más grande? En esta. Esta, chicos, todo lo que tienen que hacer es part whole percent 100. Qué fácil, porque el 100 ya lo tienen. El porcentaje también. Y este, obviamente, si tú lo lees correctamente, if you read it correctly, chicos, you will be able to organize everything correctly and just do Wakanda forever. 35 and 36. Greatest to least. Not going to be this one. When you divide, you're going to find that this one's bigger than 123. So, not this one. And a negative is not bigger than a positive. So greatest is this one. Ahí está. There you go. And 35 is going to be 1 liter, 1,000 milliliters. 150 milliliters because it's milliliters, and this is X. Wakanda forever. And then when you're dividing by 1,000, you can do regular division and just add a decimal place. Or you can write it like this and just move the decimal that you put at the very end. 1, 2, 3, the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, the number of zeros. And that, órale. And that gives you this one. Now, because we went over this several times, chicos, that's why I went quickly. But at any point, chicos, you could pause the video, go over it again, however many times you need. Good luck, chicos. Mucha suerte. Quiero muchos y sáquenme un 100, por favor. Yay. Bye bye.